Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my last cash envelope stuffing video for the month of June. So if you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. Alright you guys, so I have everything set up. I have my Filofax, my cash, and my iPad. So what we're first going to do is I am going to sit this to the side. And I am going to go into my planner that I am utilizing. Let's see. If you hear any noise, please excuse it. Ooh, let's see guys. June. Let's see. June. Still getting accustomed to this. June. And we are looking at cash envelopes. Hope you can see this. Try my best to make sure we have everything in view. So let's go ahead and let me see. Start off with my groceries. So I left off on the tracking. Let's do 625. Y'all, I have to remember to do this every time. Let's do 625. And we are doing the groceries. And of course, there is nothing in my slip, so we are going to begin the balance with 0. I am adding $100 because I've already went and utilized $40 because I had to get some a few things. So we're just adding 100 to the cash envelopes for groceries. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And we will put this into the cash envelope. Next we have category is for kids. As you can see, that is empty as well. And there's nothing in there, and we are adding $20. Just gonna put 20. Next is the gas for work. Luckily, I just got some good news from my job. They have decided to continue to let my department work from home permanently. So I will be saving gas money tremendously throughout my debt journey. I am so thankful for that good news. So I just wanted to add that. But the envelope is empty because I still use my gas to take care of things, you know, throughout going to pay bills or just going out, getting out the house, what have you. So this will always kind of be empty. But the point is, even though I'm not going to work, I'll be spending more than $40 per pay period. So that's the good news. So $40. Oh, my bad. Here I go. Let's see if I could do this without taking off the other ones. $0. And we are adding 40, so that's going to give me a $40 balance. 20, 40. And for any of you guys who are it depends on what type of job you have. If you're working from home permanently or temporary, let me know what all you're doing for your gas expenses throughout your budgeting journey. I'll be curious. I'm curious to see what everyone is doing in that perspective, please comment below. So we have our cleaning. I know I mentioned in my last video that I was going to try to increase this to $40 for the month of July. So we are still doing 20. So we have 0 left and adding 20. And the next one is the movie fund. That's where I'm usually just, if I'm renting a movie from Redbox, or if I'm, ordered something offline, I'll at least have some money available for that. And as you can see, that's 0 because that usually goes, because we love to watch movies. So that's $20 that's going to go in here. And let's do my YouTube. This is where if I see anything that I need to purchase for my channel, any type of supplies I want to get, or planners, anything, apps, anything is going to come out of this cash envelope. And on top of that, when I'm doing a giveaway, my goal is to do a good giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. That is the goal. Hopefully that'll happen soon, because it seems like I'm just accumulating in this particular cash envelope. And if that doesn't happen within, I guess I probably should put a time period on this, how long I want to keep a certain amount of money in here before I decide to allocate it out to something else. I think that's good to think about. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Should I just continue to let this YouTube cash envelope grow? Or should I put a time frame on, if I don't have this amount of subscribers by this time, then just allocate it out for something else? Let me know. So let's see. 200 was the ending balance for the YouTube. Let me double check to make sure that's what's in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Yeah, just want to make sure I didn't purchase anything that I wasn't thinking about, because that does happen. So we have 200 that we have starting. We're adding 40, so now the balance is 240. 20, 40. Okay, and then we have personal. I need to get rid of those change in here. So we have personal. This is where I, get something for myself. That's 0. I always do $40. 20, 40. No, something's not right. Let's see. What is not right? Because it should be another 20. What did I do? Did I take more out of the grocery than I think that's what happened. I actually used more out of the groceries because I know what I should have. So let me take this out for the groceries, because I know that's the only place I spent something. So instead of 100, it's gonna be 80, because I'm not crazy. I know what I did. Okay, so now the last one is the sinking fund. That's gonna be for the taxes. And let's look, because it's showing that 320 should be here. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and 20, 40. Wait a minute. Maybe I wrote down the wrong balance. starting balance 3. Let me see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at that because I'm gonna have to look at my numbers because it's showing 240, and if I add this, it should be 280. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to look back over my other notes and make sure that I didn't miscalculate somewhere. Okay, let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Oh, did I count that right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, that's right. Must have double counted. 280. So I need to look, and that's what I would do. And of course, if there's any adjustments that I need to make, I will update this on my sinking funds. Because I might have made a typo error somewhere here. Allocate ending balance could be wrong. I have to double check. So that is basically it, you guys. I want to say thank you all for watching and supporting my channel throughout this journey that I've been going through. Please remember, comment down below, give me a big thumbs up, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, support your girl. And that's basically it. Bye.